Hi, Mr. Unkert here, and in this video on CSS, we're going to talk about text shadow. So text shadow is a way that you can kind of make your text come out of the website, give it a little bit of a three-dimensional look in some ways. And I think the best way to illustrate this is to explore it. So we've got our website here, and we were doing alignment. We have this paragraph here aligned to the right where the dog is crossed out and the cat underline went meow. What we're going to do is add some text shadow to that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my style.css and I'm going to create a category called text shadow light. And again, you can call this whatever you want to. You could call it just light. You could call it Sally if you wanted to. All right, so we're going to go text-shadow. And then we're going to give a few different dimensions. So the first is left or right. So I'm going to go right 1 pixel. So that's 1 pixel. If I want to go left, I would go -1 pixel. I'm going to go down 1 pixel. So that's 1 pixel. If I want to go up, I'd go -1 pixel. I'm going to give 0 pixels of blur. And I'm going to do a color of gray. So I'm going to do hashtag and then 333. That's going to give me a grayish color. And then I'm going to hit my semicolon, hit Control and S to save. And then let's go to this paragraph here. And we've got to give it the class of text shadow light. I'm going to hit Control S to save. Go back to my website, refresh. And you'll notice kind of a 3D effect happening. Hopefully this is coming through in the video. If it's not, try it out yourself on some of your own text. And you should be trying all this stuff out as you're learning CSS to see what you want to use and what you don't want to use. Okay, so that's a text shadow light. Let's do another category where we have a text shadow left. So I'm going to do text shadow left. Okay, and I'm going to type in text shadow. And I want to go left. Let's go left 2 pixels. Let's not go up or down any pixels. Let's not have any blur. And let's do blue this time. Okay, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to give this next paragraph the text shadow left class I just created. Hit Control S to save, and we'll see that the blue is slightly left of the square root sign, and it's slightly left of the 2 in both of these because they're in the same paragraph. I used a line space here. We could illustrate it a little bit more. Maybe make it 12 pixels. That's going to really move it. And then, yeah, you'll see it. The blue part really goes left there. Okay. Let's now create a category called text shadow right. And we'll have a text shadow. We're going to go right this time. Let's go right 5 pixels. And we're not going up or down, so 0 pixels, 0 pixels of the blur. And let's do red. We're going to hit Control S to save that. Let's give the next paragraph, the centered one, category of text shadow right. Okay. And we'll notice that the red goes right on that one. Doesn't look very great, but again, you can fool with these as we go along. Create your own. That's how you learn. All right. Let's create now a text shadow up category. And in this category, type text shadow again. We're going to go up, or we're going to go left to right 0 pixels. We're going to go up, so we're going to go -5 pixels up, 0 pixels, and then let's do green. Just doing different colors. You probably want to do the same color, but it's up to you. Again, fool with it. All right, so let's go to this next class, this overline class, and we'll give that the text shadow up category. Control and save and refresh. And you notice that the green line is above the other one, and the green has moved up. Okay. Now let's create a text shadow down category. And in this category, we'll type again text shadow. And 0 pixels left or right. We're going down. So let's go down 10 pixels this time, just to illustrate the effect. And then we'll type 0 pixels for my blur. And let's do color. Let's do orange. Doing some goofy colors here. Okay, let's go down to this next paragraph, the justified paragraph, and we're going to give this the category of text shadow down. I'm going to hit Control S to save that. We'll refresh, and you'll see the orange text now appears below the other text. Okay. Finally, let's give a category of text shadow blur. And do text shadow, 0 pixels left or right, 0 pixels up and down, and then 10 pixels of blur. Let's do purple. Okay, and we'll do it in this paragraph. So text shadow blur. Control S to save, and you'll see that was the blue paragraph. You see a blur has been added to it. Let's make it even more visible. Let's do 100 pixels. Control S. And no, it didn't let me do that. So maybe too many pixels. So let's do 20 pixels. Control S. Okay. Yeah, 20 pixels, you kind of see it's still blurring. When you go to 100, just it doesn't quite work that well for blurring it. But you can see a blur's been added. There's kind of that blue line in between. So what I would do right now after you going through this text shadow stuff is try different combinations. You can go left to right, up, down, add a little blur, see what you like. I personally like this text shadow light where it kind of makes the text pop a little bit out of the screen. But again, it's up to you. It's your website, so have fun with it and enjoy. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also, if you're interested in other web development and design tips, please check out webdevinstruction.com. And I thank you for watching. Have a great day.